Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you. Today we have come to launch a book that I believe will provide solutions for some of the problems that we have always had opportunity to analyze. But before we do that, we are going to have a lecture. And the topic of the lecture is democracy, governance, and national performance, the mutual relationship. Within the lecture, we are expected to discuss power, politics, public process, and performance. And I would like to add people, because all of these are aimed at getting us a better country, a better people in the world, particularly in our country. We have always had analysis of our problems, but sometimes we shy away from preferring solutions. And when those solutions have been brought forward, we are not able to implement them. Maybe the time has come for us to realize that unless we take some positive action, nothing will happen. We'll continue to grumble, and the situation will only get worse. It is not my place to provide the lecture today, but I know that in politics, perhaps it is in politics that the saying that power corrupts, but absolute power corrupts absolutely is very true. It is in politics that absolute power will corrupt to the point that, in fact, the person exercising the power does not know his excesses anymore. He takes it as the norm. And that sort of absolutism has no place in democracy. So today, we must concentrate on democratic principles and insist that our country follows them. And of course, the primary basis of democracy is elections. We have to find a way of getting our elections right. Unless and until we are able to put the people we want in office and able to remove them when we are dissatisfied with their performance, we will remain where we are. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my hope and my expectation that both the book and the lecture will give us the solution to some of the problems we want to solve in this country. Thank you very much for coming.